welcome. We're going to talk card templates. The way it works is if you add a card on the board and you select from an existing list of templates, I have one created for you called bug. So if I select this one, I will pre-populate some information from this template, and I can show it to you when I click add and edit that the card actually comes with a description already set up and a checklist. So that was easy. If you have existing card templates, you just select them and they come in with all the information. Now let's create one from scratch. And there's really two ways to do this. From an existing card or literally from scratch. I'm going to do it from an existing card because that's what I prefer in terms of I already know the card has all the information I need, so I'd like to save it from there. So I'm going to create a new card of type story. That's how I would like to call it. And I'm going to do add and edit. And now I'm here. I'm going to add some information to create my template to help my users know what I'm looking for. I'd like this format to be followed in the description. I'd like a checklist that's called acceptance criteria and provide a template for my users to know what I expect these tasks to look like in this type of card. All I have to do now is save as template. So this is why I like this is you first create your card and then after maybe using it a few times, you realize it's a good one and you save it as a template. I'm going to select all the options. You don't have to, but at this, I won't miss anything. But this is everything you could save as a template. Now, look at the card. That's what a card looks like. But as soon as I save it as a template, you will notice that I'm now in my card template editor with this big red badge. It looks the same, but there's a little bit of variations to make it more of a edit area for card templates. So everything came in, my description, my tasks, and I'm going to add a couple more things. I'm going to add an owner, myself, and I'm going to use relative dates. I'm going to say, you know what? I want a start date from one day every time this card gets created, and I'd like it to end 5 days from the day it gets created. I could add custom fields, attachment, links, and I could do recurrence. Now, recurrence is very powerful. It's a way to set cards to get created automatically on a set schedule. So you can actually create anything you want here using the weekly, monthly, or yearly concept. I'm not going to use it here, but I'm actually going to turn it on to show you what it looks like. And I'm going to go back to my templates. Now, the reason I turned on recurrence is to show you this little arrow here. If you do have recurrence, then this will be on. For today's video, I just wanted to show you that we can create recurrence, but I'm not going to use it as part of this demo. Now, we've got two templates available, the bug one and the story one. Let's go try out the story one. By the way, this button right here, add card from template, is how you would create a template from scratch, which is the other option I mentioned. I'm going to go back to my board and I'm going to create a card this time in this column. And I'm going to select my new template called story. And I'm going to go add and edit to see what happens. And as you can see, the description came in, the checklist, I'm the owner, and the dates are set relatively to today. That's it. Card templates are very powerful. They save you time. They help you standardize your process. And they're just one click away to save and start using for your company. Thank you for watching.